Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on winter skincare. Well, winter has an adverse effect on our skin. This is not just about dry skin. So if you think you have oily skin and this video is not for you, well, this is for you as well. This is for everybody actually. And it's not just about applying moisturizer. So there's a lot more than just the basic tips in this video. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. There's a red button down below. And for now, let's get started. Okay, so the first mistake a lot of people make is that they don't understand their skin type. A lot of people don't even know what their skin type is, and for once, if they believe that their skin is dry, they think that it's going to be dry all the time. Do you know that your skin type does change with season, with the places you're traveling to, and also with age? So there are a lot of factors which you have to understand and keep in mind before choosing your product. So oily skin doesn't mean that it will stay oily all the time. And for example, people who have acne doesn't mean that their skin is oily. It could be dry. So you need to understand what your skin type is and choose your products accordingly. So the second mistake people make is that they don't moisturize if they don't feel the need to. I think people who have dry skin, they do moisturize their skin, but apart from that, I don't see, like, people don't even think about applying a moisturizer. And I know back in the day there were not enough products in the market, but today if you have oily skin, combination skin, there are a lot of brands available in the market. You have lighter emulsions, gel moisturizers, mattifying moisturizers. So you have a product for you in the market. You definitely have to do your research, but moisturizing is a must. The third mistake that people make is not switching up their skincare. Now in India, the weather changes, after every 2 months, the weather is a little different. We had monsoons where it was humid, it was hot, it was totally different. And now we have winters, which is dry, which is cold. So can you imagine doing the same skincare in both seasons because they are so different? Well, you just cannot. So you have to switch up your skincare a little bit. You have to think about it rationally and decide how you're going to treat your skin, because of course the monsoon is going to make your skin a lot more oily, and this season, the winter season, is going to make your skin a lot more dry. So that really helps in how you treat your skin and how you pamper it and give it the best treatment possible. Okay, so mistake number 4, not washing your face correctly. So how many of you do this? You go to the washroom, splash some water, take a little bit of face wash, just apply it quickly and just rinse it off. Your face wash has certain active ingredients, even if it's an Ayurvedic face wash or you're using something very natural. So it has something in it which is going to need a little time to work on your skin. So before it even starts to work on your skin, we just wash it off. And that is not how your face wash works. So I would say at least give it 30 seconds, lather it nicely on your face and let it work on your skin. Then only your pores will be cleansed properly, and then you wash it off, and you will definitely see a difference with this one. Also keep one thing in mind, that if your face wash is making your skin really dry, that is not the one for you. A face wash should be able to clean your skin but not make it feel dry. Skincare mistake number 5. Now this one is when you don't wash your face twice a day. Some people don't wash their face twice a day. Sometimes they skip washing their face in the morning, and sometimes they don't wash their face at night also. Now you definitely have to wash your face before you go to bed. Wash your face and then apply a nice moisturizer. It is the best feeling ever. It will make you feel so relaxed before the bed. And you should definitely do that, but also in the morning, because when you're sleeping with your night cream or a basic moisturizer. So make sure you wash your face twice a day. Not more than that, that will be too much for your skin, but washing your face twice a day, that will really help for the products to penetrate better. Skincare mistake number 6. Now this, I cannot stress enough, this is so important. How many of you actually exfoliate? Yes guys, you have to exfoliate. I know there are a lot of people who tried exfoliating but they just stopped. They thought that it is not working for them, it is making their skin dry. But exfoliating is wonderful. You just have to make sure that you're not too abrasive if you're using a physical exfoliant. You can use your natural methods for exfoliating. It doesn't have to be a product that comes in a market, or it could be chemical exfoliation as well, which is doing amazing in the market. But you have to do your research, try a patch test, or you can talk to a dermatologist. But exfoliating is extremely important. Of course, you're not supposed to do it every day, but twice a week is very important, even for dry skin, not only for oily skin, because we do have dead skin build up on our skin, and when we exfoliate, we get rid of those dead skin cells, and your skin is going to feel a lot softer. And then on top of that, when you apply your moisturizer, it's going to penetrate a lot better. Skincare mistake number 7. So a lot of people don't use a toner, and back in the day, we were not taught the right things about the toner. So what was usually told to us that you're supposed to use it on a cotton pad and swipe it on your skin after you wash your face, and then it is supposed to take off the rest of the dirt that you have on your skin. Now your cleansing oil and face washes should ensure that you're getting rid of whatever is sitting on your skin. A toner is there to bring it back to the pH level. So make sure you're using something that's in the market which does not have alcohol. Don't use the one that has alcohol. So please go through the ingredients, or you can use simple rose water. You can use it in a spray bottle, or you can pour it on your palm and just pat it on your skin, and then you can apply your moisturizer. Since the toner is the thinnest in the consistency, it comes first in the skincare. Skincare mistake number 8. Now this one is something I've heard a lot, and that is not having enough water. Now we do make this mistake in winters because of course the weather is such, we might forget about having enough water, but that has an impact on our skin and definitely dehydrates the skin. So make sure you remind yourself. You can have a big bottle on your work desk. You will see a difference not just in your skin but your entire health. Now skincare mistake number 9 is having too much caffeine. I know winters is the time we crave our teas and we crave our coffee, and it definitely helps us to keep warm. I'm not saying skip on those. No, I love my tea and coffee also sometimes. Just keep a count on the number of cups you have. Maybe 2 to 3 is good enough for the entire day, and you can have other liquids like soups and something else, because having too much caffeine is not good for the skin. Of course, excess of everything is not good for the body. So you have to ensure that you balance out on the caffeine, and you can have so many other things that are going to keep your body warm. Mistake number 10. Now we definitely talked about so many things, and most of it was focused on the face, but what about the body? Body care is equally important, and I know some people take it for granted. So apply all those rules to your body as well. That is exfoliating it and applying a moisturizer right after you take bath. If your skin is getting really dry, just make sure you apply a coconut oil or mustard oil. Yes, you can use mustard oil. It has amazing benefits in winters. However, you can skip it in summers. After your shower, you just dry yourself with a towel. Your skin still is a little damp. You can apply your body lotion, and that is going to give you a lot of benefit. And if your skin is very dry and it gets itchy, then using a body butter, I use this one by Himalaya. It is so good. The consistency is amazing. It is so thick and it is so inexpensive actually. So you will see a change after a week when you start using this. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments what is your feedback and your suggestions. Let me know what do you want to watch next. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you're notified whenever a video is uploaded on this channel. Also make sure to follow me on my social media. The links are in the description box, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.